Hello again, it's Andrew from Red Circle Pottery. In this video, I'm going to be making an oil bottle. You could also use it for a vinegar bottle. Uh, the important thing is it just has a spout on it. This is a great project whether you're just starting or you've been throwing a little while. I mean, you probably have to have thrown at least a little bit. There's some few different concepts here about like collaring in the way to kind of finish so you can make it spout in. The one thing that you will get out of this video that should be pretty interesting is that it's actually not a perfect vase. It's actually pretty imperfect from when I'm throwing, and you start to see it as I'm starting to pull the walls up, and there's a pretty good wobble that starts to form. And I think what you'll actually get out of this video is that towards the end, you start to see how you can actually fix those kinds of mistakes. So you can take something that's pretty imperfect, and then by the end, make it closer to perfect, so you can do some cutting of the lip and forming using ribs that I think you'll find pretty interesting, seeing how imperfect it is and that you can actually kind of save your pot towards the end. So you don't always have to throw perfect pottery. In fact, if you watch a lot of pottery, you'll see a lot of those wobbles and those imperfections kind of come out. And the one thing about when you're collaring in, any sort of imperfection will be amplified as you try to bring it closer to the center. So it's pretty neat to see that happen here, and hopefully you guys find that kind of interesting. So if you want to see that, really stay tuned towards the end is when you start to see how you can actually fix that lip to make it the size and fit the way you need it to. So look forward to that. So overall, just hope you enjoy the video, and this is just a pretty straightforward introduction into just throwing a little bit more of a complex vase shape that you can actually collar in and spout. So yeah, whether you're making a bud vase or this, use this for like an oil bottle, it has a few different uses depending on which direction you decide to go. As always, thanks for watching.